Good afternoon, student of the TD case study activity. Our subject knowledge-based representation and reasoning. From the second CACA, a set of students, 5 students, going to the case study video in terms of the applied domain of the gaming environment. So, a set of 5 students are available. So, the 5 students going to give the TD perspective point of view, starting from of the empathize, define, ideate, test and prototype will be given by the set of second CSCA student. So the empathize part will be going to given by Deepa.
So the first stage is empathize. In this stage we try to understand the users who will play our game. So our target users are mainly students, beginners in gaming, people who like simple and fun games. We observe that many users prefer easy controls like simple graphics, enjoy short and engaging gameplay. And also some users feel frustrated when games are too complex, controls are confusing. So we collected feedback from them, noting their likes and dislikes. This helped us understand what kind of game we should play.
This when developing of gaming, how you make your gaming more interactive and also what to say interaction and then an entertainment with the users. What are the various libraries are available?
So Unity, Godot, Arcade, Panda 3D, etc.
Okay. Either will be using any Flutter?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So the second stage of the DD, the define, after the empathize, the define is going to be given by the pygame, that is of the office or maybe of a, what to say, that is of a SpaceRanger is going to be given by Chandru.
Based on our observations, we identified the main problem. Users need a simple, fun and easy to play game because many existing games are too complicated for beginners. This problem statement helped for focus clearly. Our goal becomes create a beginner-friendly game, ensure simple controls, make it engaging and interactions.
Okay, Chandru, from your point of view, when you make the game as a, what to say, user-friendly and then interaction, what are the various technologies and tools are available presently in the
3D.
AI world?
3D games, visualizations.
So you'll be using a 3D game, augmented reality, virtual reality, beyond the daily packages? Okay, fine. So whether using of any of a framework to develop of the application? Okay, fine. Then we moving to the third stage of the TD activity, that is an ideate of the, what we say, Office SpaceRanger game by Narmada.
Third stage is ideate stage. In this stage, we generate different ideas from games. Some ideas we discuss: a jumping game, a car racing game, a snake game, a shooting game. After brainstorming, we selected a simple contents. A player controlled object avoiding obstacles. We also decided use keyboard controls, add storm systems, include increasing difficulties. This stages helps us choose the best is based on our needs.
You know, when you make the things in terms of ideate, whether instead of the pygame of the third-party library supported for of your Jupyter notebook of idea of the Python, whether you'll be using of any other, what to say, third-party for a gaming development.
Yes, sir. PyTouch.
We'll be using for of the motion graphics by the help of PyTouch. So now we moving to the fourth stage of the our TD activity of the case study of the SpaceRanger game by Madhura in terms of what to say prototype of the model.
Hello everyone, now let us see a prototype of our model. We all know that prototype is a working model of a project. Here we started building a basic version of our game using a pygame. We created a game window, player object, moving obstacles, score display. At this stage, graphics were simple, no advanced design, and the focus was only on functionality. For example, player moves left and right, obstacles fall from top, score increases over time. This prototype helped us visualize how the game works.
Okay, ma'am, Madhura, your point of view in terms of prototype, whether using of any architecture like of a UX UI design or maybe of any user-friendly environment in terms of taking the, what to say, your gaming environment of a, what to say, that is of a ranger game, that is of a off-site ranger game, whether using of any other.
Yes, sir, we created an application which is actually nowadays we are playing simple games like snake game, car racing, which are built using a pygame, and most appropriately it was developed by
So you take the various pictures from of the snake game and etc. and it is in terms of the what to say in terms of the space ranger game. Okay, finally of this video of the case study, the last what to say after the prototype, and then in terms of the test of the particular application in terms of the end user will be going to give workshop. Okay, Ganima.
Final stage test. We ask users to play our game and give feedback. We observe how easily they understood controls, whether they enjoyed the game, what difficulties they faced. Based on feedback, we improved controls, adjusted speeds, made gameplay smoother. Some users suggested add sound effects, improve visuals. So we refined our game accordingly. This stage helped us to improve the overall user experience.
Okay, how will you get the feedback from the end user? What are the various tools used to get the feedback from the users? I'm a user or a game player of your app. How you get the feedback from me, my suggestion from me in terms of the improvement of the game to satisfy my.
So we have used the pygame and pytorch to get the feedback from the users, and they tell we have to refine our game very smoothly. So and our app is running successfully.
Whether you're using our dashboard or somehow to get the comments or maybe the suggestion from the end users. Dashboard. Okay, finally what happened today TD case study, the set of 5 students will be given their good idea, and also what happened when using of the pygame, a third party library in terms of either of Anaconda notebook or Jupyter notebook. This gives of the modularity, versatility, and then this libraries will be make the end user, because what happened in terms of the movement either left and right, and also in terms of other thing, and also we know the flexibility of the Python. In terms of the Python code, what happened, 100 lines can be replaced with about 10 lines. That is what has happened. The code can be either very smart and then efficient and effective, and also finally what has been optimized code with the help of the customized application. A function can be inbuilt and it will be called within another function. A function can be passed as an argument and return type and the composition and etc. The flexibility of the Python in terms of the libraries make it very easy, and also in terms of the AI and in terms of any other platform, that is what to say the pygame library gives a very good environment in terms of developing the application like a pygame in terms of what to say, that is of a space ranger game, maybe of a firefly and etc. And then a big claps to the students for giving the idea in terms of the pygame impact.